I teach you what needs to be taught in the segment that we're in. You can't have one layout of how to trade for every segment of the market. Or you have the bull market, and inside that bull market, you have a segment of the bull run. You will make the most amount of money in this portion right here. And that's when it just shoots up, and usually you're left buying the tops or run-ups that have already ran up 50, 80%. And you're waiting for pullbacks of 50%. Going to the golden pocket, not gonna happen. You'll be lucky if they go back 38%, lucky. But I show you all this. I show you all this depending on what segment we're in the market. So let's kind of walk through this. Why would A be bad? A is bad because you had this huge run up and it's very high risk. I would expect it to come down to at least here, possibly here. Now, granted, I'm not looking at this to the left. I'm just looking at this run up. We had a run up, pull back, 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 run up. I would expect it'd be healthy right here. I don't think it'll come down here, but depending on how many people are taking profit, they may do it here. And so I wouldn't have entered here. Now it did pull back to this area, which is fantastic. Start coming up here. Then here, I would not have entered because of this huge pump. Look at the candle body sizes. I don't like this pump, so I would not have entered here. Now, it retraced, came up. Now here, I would have definitely entered. One, we're making higher highs and also higher lows. We broke this level. I'm in. And because I'm trading the way with this different thought process, I am going to go ahead and put lower entries. Let's say I have $1,000. For this entry, I'm putting in 250. Why am I only doing 250? I wanted to do 500 because I want to have lower entries just in case it goes down. I don't know it's going to go down. Joe, can't you see it went down? Yes, I can see it. But when I'm doing this trading and this mental thought process, I'm doing this as if I don't know what's going to happen, because when you're actually in the moment, you don't know what's going to happen. So if you base your thought process off of what you see, you're only cheating yourself in the long run. So this is what I always do. Here, I would have entered based off of what I saw. I would have a lower entry here because I'm expecting a bounce off of this support right here. Well, let me do my levels first. Here, and then one. Don't think it'll come down this far. All right, so now what my thought process is 250, 2x leverage. I would do, based off of this support, I want to get kind of in this range. I would do another 250, and my entries are always blue. I would do another 250. So let's go ahead and put all this together. So this is my $1,000. So this is my entry at C. That's my entry. Now I would have another lower bid right here that would have gotten hit for another 250. Now what that does is my average entry was here, but now because I have 250 here, my average entry comes down to here, which is good. Now I'm in $500 out of my 1,000. Now what I would also do is I would have a lower entry here. And now I'm not looking over here. Y'all might say, oh, Joe, you're looking over here. I'm looking at this. We had really nice support right here. I want to say it's going to come up to about here. I don't know. And it did. Okay. I would do it here. So same thing like I did here. Here's some resistance support. Well, I wouldn't have seen this, but here's some resistance support. I want to go a little bit above it. Same thing here, some resistance support. So I would do it roughly around here. Let's just say I came down here and have a lower bid down here. Well, now this lower bid, I have it for 500. I have it for 500. So that if it hits, now this entry comes way down. My average, wherever it's going to go, whatever the math is going to come way down. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. See, that's what I did. Bought 200 more and added 100 to get my margin to liquidity lower. Yeah, smart. Very smart. So and I actually have this in a VIP leverage master trading course. How much extra did I charge for that master trading course? $0. I don't nickel and dime my people. I have a leverage trading class or course, and then I have a advanced master series, which is also everything I do is included in this group. I made another group. It's a DEX group where we are making crazy amount of money. How much extra for that group? $0. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. I don't want to become a millionaire or a multi-millionaire because I'm nickel and diming you. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to make you money, period. So just give you a heads up. If you want to join my group, send me a message on Telegram. My trading has improved greatly since I joined your group. Thank you. This is my group. If you cannot afford this, some people can't afford this, and I don't want any barriers. I want zero barriers. One, you can watch it for free. Ask me questions. This is a 1 hour I dedicate to you, so you can ask questions about indicators, about trading styles, about just questions you may have. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of. Now, if you want to help support the channel, well, then here's 3 different tiers. The higher the tier, the more you get. We got training videos. You have access to me. I respond extremely quick. Reach out to me on Telegram. It's trade_intuition. Ask me, hey, what does your group do that others don't? I dedicate minimum 1 hour a day to show you how to do this. I give you my true life experience, not something from a website that I regurgitated and just spitting back at you. I show you what actually works. I show you what doesn't work. I show you everything that I know for free. You don't have to join the group. I show you this for free. I make you money before I ask you to join the group. That's how everything should be, in my opinion. This will eventually have to cool off. And what's going to happen? Well, the moving average, the average of the candle body closes, will eventually go to the average close of the candle bodies, which would be where the candles are at. This is not a magnet. This is a moving average. It's an average of the candle body closes. It's in the name. Joe, are you saying that it's going to come back down here because of the moving average? No, I'm saying that we had a nice run up. Because of the nice run up, it's only expected that the price come down. Now, how far down can it go? Well, that's where we get the fib retracement. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.